Coming to you from my makerspace, a little project I've been working on today. Drew the schematic to represent what I'm doing. What I'm trying to do is I want my solar power to be my primary power, and then automatically I want it to transfer over to shore power when the solar goes dead, meaning my batteries are dead. So you follow the schematic, what's going on. When this circuit's energized, saying my solar is on, this coil gets energized, the magnet pulls this contact down to the normally open position. So you follow that, power goes out to the load. When this circuit's no longer energized, now this goes to the normally closed position, follow the circuit, it goes from shore power around up to my load. My load's simulated by the light here. So I can show you what happens just by unplugging this cord. This would normally be plugged into my solar generator. So you unplug this, the light's going to blip, but it stays on because it's switching over to shore power. Plug this back in, simulating my batteries are full. Power stays on, back to solar. Alright guys, you like this video? Go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.